was still a good ban because it saved a lot of assets, cars, people's property from getting damaged. Because last night, the conditions were horrible. It was like blizzard winds. Even though I'm sad about it, I think it was still right to put the ban, you know? But I'd like to think that all the people in the news who spoke about the weather, how horrendous it was going to be, they don't think they're crying wolf. Because we got prepared for something that we thought was going to happen.